Welcome you all. Now we will see in this video branch accounts problem number 2. Go to the script. Raji Bros operate the retail branch at Bangalore. So Raji is head office and it is having the branches in Bangalore. All the purchases made by the head office at Mumbai goods. So head office is situated at Mumbai and all the expenses are purchases made by head office only. Goods being charged out to the branches at cost price. ಏನು ಇದೆಯೋ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. All cash received by the branches is remitted to Mumbai. ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೆಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಪೆಟಿ expenses are paid out of an impress which is reimbursed by the head office. Very simple. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪೆಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಫಸ್ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಆ ಫುಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸು ರೀಇಂಬರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು. ರೈಟ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್, from the following particulars relating to Bangalore branch, you are required to prepare branch account in the books of head office and ascertain profit. Very simple. So that is with our following information, prepare the branch account and in order to know the profit or loss made by the branches. In this one simple, that is adjustment, that is relating to petty cash. Opening petty cash idana debit side haki. Next, any petty expenses paid by the branches but it is reimbursed by the head office under impress system, that will be taken under debit side. And again we will go to find out the closing petty cash at the end. We will see how it will be in the problem. Now balance as on April 2014, that is opening balances, and the first one is stock at cost. Stock, that is it, opening stock, debit side. Next, petty cash, it is a opening petty cash, it's an asset, debit side. Next, plant, it is again debit side, it is asset. Next, in this problem they have made some mistake, that is so they have not given the goods sent to branch. So that is you consider, that is goods sent to branch balance as on 31st March 2015 ಏನು 50,000 ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. that is goods sent to branch by head office, that is 50,000, and at the end, so that is nil. Next, stock at cost balances as on 31st March 2015, stock at cost, that is closing stock 7,000, right under credit side. Next, there is no goods sent to branch, it is already treated to the opening balance or debit side. Next, petty expenses paid by the branch out of impress system. Right. So none here there. So whatever the expenses made as from the petty expenses, it will be reimbursed by the head office under impress system, debit side 700. Next, to bank account at the very cash sales during the year 70,000, credit side. Next, sale of plant on 1/4/2014. Sale of plant on 1/4/2014. The plant amounted in the business is 10,000 and out of that they are selling the plant for 800, but the cost of the plant is how much? 900. Cost of plant, that is 900. ಇದನ್ನ 800 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Right. Sales value is 800 and remaining will be called as loss. 900 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 800 ರೂಪೀಸ್ಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 800 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಬರೀ, ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ credit side. Why we are writing the loss of the plant under credit side? Because it is going out of the business, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, that's why it will be written under credit side. Next one. Next, expenses paid by the head office. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ expenses head office pay ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is 5,000. Next, it is required to write off the plant at 20% per annum. Write off means that is the depreciation of the plant at 20%, on which amount, that is cost was 10,000 opening value minus sales amount ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಲ್ that is the return on value remaining balance is how much 9,100 this 9,100 minus 20% of depreciation amount right 9,100 into 20% means that is 1,820 is the depreciation amount and remaining balance will be right under what that is a closing asset value closing plant value right by this information prepare the branch ledger account now see one by one first one is to opening stock at branch what is the opening stock amount 8,000 next to petty cash balance ಇದೆ petty cash amount that is 800 next to plant amount 10,000 next to goods sent to branch so I made changes in this problem they have given balance as of 31st March 2015 scratch it aduna ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ instead of that you make it as goods sent to branch at opening ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು that is 50,000 next there is a expenses in the petty expenses that is a to bank account that is petty expenses which is paid by head office again petty cash under interest system amount 700 next to other expenses again it made by head office to bank account expenses amount 5,000 next come to the credit side there is a cash sales by cash sales amount 70,000 next by there is a sale of plant sale ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ sale of plant amount that is 800 next by loss on sale of plant amount 100 rupees that is how means the cost of the machine ಏನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಅದರ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 900 minus sales value 800 and loss will be 100 next by goods sent to branch return by branch ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರೆದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ by goods returned by branch nil and next one ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ by closing stock it is given in the problem amount that is 7,000 next by petty cash now there was an opening balance of 800 but ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 700 rupees ನ ಇವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೀಇಂಬರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 800 ಏನು ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈ ಪೆಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ 800 rupees next by plant how to find out the closing plant value that is cost of the plant at the beginning is 10,000 minus sales proceedings that is 900 and remaining ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ 9,100 from this there is required to write off the depreciation as 20% of depreciation that is 9,100 minus 1,820 of depreciation amount and the balance amount that is 7,000 to AP is the closing value of plant at end. Now make the total both the side. Credit side is more, that is 85,980. Next here 85,980. From this balance minus all the debit side, that the balance will be to general P&L account, that is profit. So if the credit side is more, and the result will be called as what? Profit amount 11,480. Right now, once again a very simple problem. Record all the assets at the debit side, opening assets and closing assets at the credit side. Very important, petty expenses met by the branches, and if it is reimbursed by the head office under the impress system, it will be recorded under debit side. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಶೋ ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್, ನೌ go through the problem and practice it. You are going to understand how to do the branch counting. Thank you so much.